Hey everyone, so I finally found it. Took a bit of walking around the campus. I mean, it's a nice day out anyways, but just gonna go walk in, show you guys a little bit of what Japan culture, what Cool Japan at FIU is gonna look like, and I hope you guys enjoy it. All right.
That is a decoration for the plate. And okay.
Alright, well that was just a little snippet of Cool Japan here at Florida International University. Had a bunch of different things. We definitely had some taiko drumming, kendo demonstration, even one of the professors from another university who did some flamenco dancing, so a lot of Spanish influence I guess in Japan as well. And we got to see some traditional Japanese paintings.
What is he doing?
What are you doing? Nani o shimasu ka?
The car Kuruma has a line. Yeah. And that's why it was confusing because it kind of looks similar.
Logan, Logan, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, man? What are you doing?
I'm checking my work. Checking my work.
So, what's your hat say?
JoJo's Bizarre Adventure.
Bizarre Adventure?
Yeah.
An anime?
Yeah. Pretty popular.
You said that guy's white as hell?
Yeah, look like
Whiter than you?
He's white. He's white.
You got Yuya? Yuya, Nihon ni karakimashita.
You have anything to say? Say something.
You have a message for your friends in Japan? Say that again?
Bubble tea. Bubble tea.
What?
Te burbuja. Te burbuja.
Bubble? No, it's boba.
Te burbuja.
Boba.
Like, what is
How do you say it? How do you say it?
Boba tea.
Boba tea?
Tapioca.
You know what? Roasted.
The only one that got it right. This is our current situation right now. So you can't really look because that's like 5, I think, stacked up.
That's like $100.
This guy right here, still, he's still starting off.
I ordered
I
ordered some noodles. All right.
Logan's, those are Logan's plates, and then that's Yuya's. Yuya's being very conservative today.
That looks beans.
Maybe just the ball.
Oh, what did you order? What is this?
Chicken udon, I think.
Say it again?
Chicken udon.
Chicken udon. And this is oyakudon, that's a chicken and the egg. Yuya special.
Cringe that shit.
Hey sport, say hi. Wave hi to the camera. You gonna order? You gonna eat more?
No, I'm just looking at the price so I know how much I'm paying.
Yo, you want some?
Do you have enough?
I'm good.
Look, we're gonna be living legends at this restaurant because of you.
A living meme. Oh my god.
Pedro Kun hit that.
Wait. Oh, snap. Can I have some soup?
That was really bad. Okay, so the final count. These are my cups right here.
Especially something
My
about
final cups there. This is Logan's. You can't even see it that well, actually. There you go. I didn't get a good light. Those are Logan's.
Logan's packing heat.
Pedro Kun's right here. Got a couple. Yuya, what did Yuya get? You got a lot?
We think alike.
Yeah, he's good. And Paul,
What about him? I heard he's a terrible person.
how many did you get?
23.
Paul doesn't really like sushi, that's why. Well, definitely coming here again.
That's gonna be different.
We're gonna try a lot of
Japanese that you
different
recorded it. and I'm gonna get
It'd be interesting to see which ones they have in Japan. You know, something similar to this. It'd be great to go check it out.
Waka.
Hey, look, there's a camera. Hey, por un cruz.